Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this makeup look. I got the inspiration from Bridgerton famous Charithra Chandran's makeup look. She's looking stunning in this look. The nude Kohl lined eyes and red lips looks absolutely stunning. It's a very easy 5 minutes makeup look and I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's get started. Apply an illuminating moisturizer, and I'm going to use the illuminating moisturizer from Belora Paris. This is a great moisturizer. It just adds a really nice glow to your skin. Look at the glow. Next I'm going to color correct my face, and I'm going to use an orange color corrector. This one is from Sugar, and you can use any orange color corrector you have. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Also going to apply it on the sides of my forehead. I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation. This is in the shade Warm Nude number 128. I'm going to take some at the back of my hand. Now I'm just going to apply it all over my face. This is such a great foundation. It just looks very natural. It hardly takes any time to blend. I'm going to apply the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer now. This is a very quick makeup look. I'm going to blend it now. I'm using the PAC 219 brush. Next I'm going to apply the K-Beauty Loose Powder. This is in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to set my under eye area. I'm going to quickly do my brows, and for my brows I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not changing the shape of my brows or anything, just filling in my brows. Next I'm going to contour my face using the K-Beauty Contour Pro Contour Palette, and I'm going to use this middle shade. This is a warm brown, and I'm just going to contour my face and my jawline. Next for my eyes, I'm going to take the same K-Beauty Contour Palette. I'm going to use the dark brown shade. I'm just going to take it and apply it all over my eyelids. Just a light wash of brown all over my eyelids. Also on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take the Belora Kohl Kiss Intense Kajal. This is in the shade Intense Black. And I'm going to tight line my upper lash line. It's very smooth and it's very buttery. It just glides on so well. Next for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Rimmel Scandal Eyes. This is in the shade Chocolate Brown. And I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. Next for my eyelashes, I'm going to use the Colossal Mascara. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now for the blush, I'm going to use the Kiro Glow On Blush Duo. And this is in the shade Perfect Pink Fresh Grapefruit. I'm going to take this coral shade and apply it on the apples of my cheeks because she's wearing a coral blush. I love the blush shade, it's so pretty. A little bit on the nose. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Rimmel highlight. This is in the shade Stardust. This is a very pretty golden highlight. She has a very highlighted face. Also my brow bone area and the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the kajal and apply it very close to the upper lash line. And now it's time for lipstick. If you love lipsticks like I do, then I've got something exciting for you. You guys know how much I love Plum skincare, and now they've launched lipsticks. They have launched Matte in Heaven liquid lipsticks, and they've got 10 beautiful gorgeous shades, from beautiful rosy pinks to cherry reds to my favorite nudes. They're vegan, they're cruelty free, and they've got a shade for every skin tone. First of all, I love the packaging. It looks very pretty, very compact. You can just throw it in your purse and it's very easy to carry with you whenever you go out. When you apply it, it feels like second skin. It's that lightweight. It's got vitamin E, so it doesn't dry up your lips. When you apply it, it dries up pretty fast, and it's non-sticky, smudge proof and transfer proof. So my ladies, you can go for date nights, you can chill out, and you need not worry about the lipstick. And it's going to stay on your lips for a long time. I was blown away by the pigmentation. All you need is just one swipe. I went out with my friends. I had this shade Cinnamon Pop, and it was on my lips for about 7 to 8 hours. It is very affordable, and if you're in college, it is perfect for you. And of course, if you love lipsticks like I do, then you should definitely try it. Use my coupon code to get 10% off on all products on their website. And don't forget to check my description box for the links. This red looks so gorgeous, and such a wrong notion that red does not suit dusky skin tone. They just look beautiful on dusky skin tone. You just have to check which red suits your skin tone the most, because there's a red for every skin tone. And Charithra Chandran is just rocking the red lip. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to like and share. Do recreate this look and tag me on my Instagram. It's dazzlers, and I'm sure you're gonna rock it. Don't forget to check the plum lipsticks in the description box below. The links are mentioned there, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.